Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of an order grabbing website. So if you also want to make your own order grabbing website, then you are on the right video. In this video I'm going to completely show you how you can make this kind of website, and I'm going to completely give you overview of each and every feature of this website. So basically this is a task and order grabbing website where user can invest in different plans and can get daily orders. After completing these orders, user will get some commission on those orders for some days. So basically this is the order grabbing website. And viewers, if you want to purchase the script from us, or if you want us to build this complete website for you, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram, and we will build this site for you. Both links are in description, and WhatsApp number is also showing on the screen. So without wasting much more time, let's start our video. First of all, let's log into our user panel of this website. So here, first of all, on the search bar, you can see it is hosted on my subdomain. So you can see it, I have already hosted it, and then I'm giving you demo. Here's the register option. So if you don't have an account, you can register your account using your details. I already have an account, so I will log in with my existing details here. And here I have to enter my password. After entering these details, so here click on login, and you can see that we have successfully logged into our account. So here let me just show you the user panel first. Here you can see these banners, etc. All these banners, etc., all of them are changeable from admin panel. Specifically, you can change the logo, banner, all the things are changeable from the admin panel. This line, and here is a help center, so you can click on help center, and here you can generate the support tickets in order to communicate with the admin of website. Here is invite friend section. So here you will find the invitation link. So using these links you can invite different people, and you can also earn money through referrals as well. Here is download APK, means user can download the app of this website from here. And a video tutorial option is available. User can watch your videos or related to your business videos on YouTube from this section. Here is about us section. So by clicking this, user can read about your website. So here you can add about your website, you can add all the details and purpose of your website in this section. And similarly, there's another banner that you can add from admin panel. And viewers, now here is the level section. So in levels you can see all the order grabbing VIP plans. So you can make these plans from admin panel. First of all, you can see there is a $2,000, $3,000, $6,000, $10,000 plan, and currently our $10,000 plan is active on our website. So here in 10,000 plans, you can see is one grab is equals to 800 USD. Basically, you can set this amount from admin panel and you will get 10 grabs daily. So here you can see daily earning is $8,000. So I have just set them randomly, but you can set them from admin panel in a way you want. So currently these are just random plans currently. Here currently my crystal plan is activated. So here you can see my balance is $10,000, and I have grabbed 0 orders out of 10. So now let's, when you click on grab, so here it will grab it, and it will show you some products, and here you will get your commission. So you have to just click on collect and your bonus is collected. So you can see our 2-day profit is $800. Similarly, we'll grab again, and then again collect, and similarly here you can see $1,600. Similarly, we have to complete 10 grabs, and daily we will get 10 grabs up to 10 days. You can also show user notice for the grabbing from here. Here's a contact section. So similarly, you can generate support tickets in order to communicate with the admin of the website. Here is the account section. So here you can see your total balance currently. You can see our profit wallet is $1,600 because we just grabbed some orders, and our balance has increased to $11,600 after some grabbing. And viewers, here user can deposit money on the website. So user can deposit money using any of the gateway. Currently there are 2 gateways available, Binance and Bcash, but we can insert any type of crypto or fiat payment gateway from admin panel. That's not the issue. And viewers, if you purchase this website from us, we will provide you complete support with it, so you don't need to worry about anything. And here user, you have to just enter the amount you want to deposit, click on submit, and here it will show you all the details, and you can just submit detail. submit this. So currently I have not entered any instruction from admin panel, but you can set instructions from admin panel and user can pay on them, and after payment user request will be sent it to admin, and when admin will approve it, so the amount will be added to user account. So currently it's a new site. So here you can see all team members. As I showed you, this is your team link. Here's a withdrawal section, so user can withdraw his money from his account using any of the gateway. Similarly, you can insert any of the gateway for the withdrawal as well. So you can set withdraw charges, all of things from here, from the admin panel. Here you can see total deposits, total withdrawals. Here it will show you all the account information. You can change your avatar, account name, email, etc. You can change them. You can change your password. You can see your commissions over here in this section, and here you can see different types of commissions. So you can select the amount of commissions you want, and here you can just see all the commissions, and it will show you all of them according to what type of commission it is. So it will show you all of them. Here is the deposit history. It will show you deposit, withdraw history, my teams. Here you can turn on 2FA and logout option. So that's all about this user panel of this website. And viewers, now we will go to the admin panel, and I'll show you how we can completely manage and control this website from admin panel. So first of all, I'll just log out from here. So in order to go to admin panel, here we will have to type /admin after the link, and now here we have to enter our admin credentials on this page in order to log in successfully to the admin panel. So here I'll type my username. Here I have to enter my password. After entering your credentials, you can just click on login and it will log you into your admin panel of this website. So this is the amazing admin panel of this website from where you can completely manage and control this website. First of all, you can see total users, total user with active VIP plans, and deposits, withdrawals, total deposits, charges, commissions, etc. All of things will be shown you over here. Here you can see the notifications. Everything will be shown you over here. Here you can make multiple admins for your website, so they can manage your website. You can assign them specific features to manage. Here's a referral commission option, so you can set multiple levels of commission on grabbing bonus, and you can give user bonus referral commission on deposit bonus as well. You can create as many as levels you want from here, and it's a very simple thing. Here you can create all your VIP plans or plans on order grabbing plan on your websites. Currently you can see all these plans are available, and you can edit them as well. So if you want to edit them, you can edit them. If you want to add new plan, enter the name, amount, every grab profit, daily grab limit, and you can easily create a plan on your website. So that's a simple thing to make a plan. And viewers, this is a very easy and simple website. You don't need any coding knowledge to control or manage this website. If you buy from us, we will provide you complete support with it, and if you need any other design or any other type of website, you can just contact us and we will build what you want. And also I request all of you to do like the video and subscribe to our channel, so you will find amazing content about these sites as well. Here you can manage all the products, like you can list multiple products on your website, and here you can see these products are available. But if you want to insert new products, you can upload your new products from here. So these will be randomly shown to user, and here are the PTC reports, so you can see them. Here you can manage all the users on the website, so it will show you all the users. Here you can view all users. Here you can go to their details. You can add, subtract balance from their account. Here you can add balance to their account. You can subtract balance from their account. You can ban them, unban them, log in as user, send them notification, change their information, and whatever you want to do, you can do it. Here are the payment gateways. So automatic, manual, both gateways are available. Here we'll go to manual gateways. So three gateways are available for manual. So one is disabled and two are enabled. You can edit them as well. So you can edit them from here and change details to your own details. Now, if you want to insert a new gateway, just click on add new, insert image, name, currency, exchange rate, and minimum maximum amount charges. Here you can enter your all deposit instructions and user data form, so user can enter his details. So it's a very simple method to insert a gateway. That's not a rocket science here. So you can easily insert a payment method on the website simply. Here when user will request a deposit, the request will come here in pending deposits, and you can approve it or reject it from here. You can see all the existing details about approved deposits, successful deposits over here in this section. So you can see all approved deposits here, and you can view the details as well. Here you can view all withdraw methods, and here you can create withdraw method from here, same like the deposit section. So very easy thing to create withdraw method. And from here you can approve or reject the withdrawal request of users as well in pending withdrawals. Similarly, here you can view all support tickets, and you can communicate with users of the website. Here is a general settings option, so you can change the name of website, currency of website. You can use it in your local currencies as well, and site colors you can change from here. From system configuration, you can turn on of different settings of website like email verification, notifications, user registrations. All of them you can do it from here. From logo and favicon, you can change the logo of this website, and you can change logo in just single click, and very simple. You can change extensions, you can insert multiple languages to the website, you can manage SEO, KYC, and let's see some other settings. And here are manage sections, like you can change about us section from here, completely edit about us page from here. You can change the banners of the website. As I already guided you, each and everything is changeable from here, and all the things pages are editable. You can just edit them in single clicks. So viewers, in this video I guided you about each and everything related to this website. If you want to purchase this website, contact us and we will provide you this website, and you can visit our channel for more details as well. So viewers, thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to